YouTube, what is up? Today is the day. Finally, y'all can see I got the Valvetronic box right there. I've had this box in my closet for like a year now. Do y'all believe me if I told y'all it was a year? Because it was actually a year. I bought this last year, forgot when, and I just now opened it oh my gosh. I just now opened it today because I'm about to go to the exhaust shop. I went last week, but I got there too late. It just told me to come back today as early as I can. So I'm gonna go now. I might be a little late, but you know, for one or two cars in front of me, it won't really matter. I got a long time. But when I opened the box, the order I did, I had a deal with it. A shirt came with it. I did not know these were coming. The shirt was free, by the way. Yeah, I didn't know these were in there. So look, keychain, the Audible experience, perfected, cool. A sticker. I might put that on my laptop so all my stickers go. Got a little wristband, Valvetronic designs, and a license plate. There's my order number on it. I don't know if that matters or not. It also came with a license plate. All right, this right here. This is the back of the shirt. You got the Valvetronic on one sleeve, Valvetronic on the back, American flag around. Valvetronic right there in the chest. Got a large. This shirt was tested on animals and did not fit. It's kind of crazy. But yeah, that's the shirt. I'll show y'all the exhaust, but I'll do that when I get there because I am running a little late and I have to unpack it again. So yeah, let's get this to the car. See it rolling. All right, y'all, package secured. Got that up in there. And close this. I haven't washed my car in a minute. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm gonna hit y'all with a cold start though. Up in the garage, we got a Cybertruck, M2, Supra, G80. There's a Ferrari up there, but y'all might not even believe me. Supercharged Corvette, Scat Pack. But yeah, there's indeed a Ferrari in here. And that's just one of the supercars in this garage. This place is stacking. But yeah. All right, let's go. I'm procrastinating. I'm already late. Y'all, I'm at the shop. Let me show y'all the exhaust real quick. Let me move the seat. Let's start opening the joint. Okay, there we go. So it's like, this is two mufflers, right? Yeah, this is one side, this is where the vacuum goes on, the Valvetronic on it. You know, and I got a control box on the inside as well. I don't know if I can grab that. All right, there we go. This is a better view right here. So yeah, you can seal off. Here is both mufflers. And in this box right here, that's where the control unit at, the vacuum, all that stuff, the wires, the remote, the box, everything on the mount in the back. All that's in here. I bought the 2 universal mufflers, and I'm at the shop right now, but this is what the 2 universal mufflers look like. They got a T-shape one as well, but I didn't get that one because it wasn't gonna fit my car. But yeah, that's what I'm working with. Let me run up in here, check with the guys, see what's up with them, and then we'll get this on the car. Never really hear my car from the outside. It's kind of good. Dang. Really nice. Yeah, man. Anybody know what that creaking noise is when I turn or when he turns? Please let me know because I need to get that fixed ASAP. I have no idea what it is. I've been trying to figure it out, but I can't. As soon as I do, please let me know so I can get that joint fixed. Man, this is the garage. Let me buying a tip for them because the one from Valvetronic is overpriced. What's up, man?
What's up, brother? How you doing?
I'm all right. How you doing? I went with some bigger tips. I bought some from them. The ones I got, they took it from right there. But I got some of the black joints right there, some 5-inch tips. Hopefully give it a better sound because they are a little bigger. Yeah. It already looked good in my opinion. So yeah, shout out to them for recommending those. I wasn't sure if to go black or to go chrome. They said, trust me, bro. I said, okay.
Tomorrow's, buddy. Boy, you get the. I know, I'm gonna look at the Get it proper. Get it proper.
That sounds crazy. The scat sound crazy. Scat, red eye, got my car, another Hellcat. So they put the Valvetronics on. I'm gonna show y'all the sound clips. Hold on, if I didn't show y'all already. But right now they also offer tuning. He's tuned by them, he's tuned by them, he's tuned by them. They tune a lot of cars, so he gave me a good deal, so I'm gonna hop down on it and see how that go. They say he's just like the best tuner in the area. He's been doing it for about 10 years. We'll see how that go. Yeah, I've been coming to this shop for a few years now, and you know, real hospitable, real cool guys here.
Are those just the wheels, or is that a 50th anniversary?
Oh, just the wheels. I don't know what wheels those are.
50th anniversary.
Oh yeah? Oh snap. I bought the car like that.
I Mustangs, I know every damn other shit, bro.
It's my first one. I came from a BMW. I'm not open from here. Okay. I don't know if I can do it from out here. Can you open it and hit it? That sounds way cleaner. Hey guys, we're back at the whip. Tune done, Valvetronic done. They do taller than me, so my seat up. Let me open this door back. I probably can't even hear it. I don't know if I got the valves open or closed. Let me see, it's in my pocket. Hold on. Oh, yep, it's definitely open. First drive with the tune car. I'm gonna take it down this way and turn around. Whew, oh my gosh. That thing took off. I was not expecting that. Let's see if I can launch this joint. I don't have launch control, so I try to launch it like 1500. I don't know if the exhaust is open or closed. Oh, it's closed now. Ah, that thing is quiet. Wow. The Valvetronic on this joint is quiet. That is insane. Like, I feel like I got like incognito mode in my car. Need some gas. Y'all know to ignore the gas. The gas light, man. Ain't never no gas in here. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to open the valves and they won't open. I don't know if I'm pointing the remote wrong or what. Hold on, let me figure this out. Yeah, I got it. I think I was just pressing the button wrong. That should be it for this video. If I forgot anything, my bad. I did get the cartoon. I'm not gonna say too much about that just yet, but I will take my car to the track this Friday coming up, and I'll test it out there. So yeah, till next time, appreciate y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, anything else, all that, appreciate it. Yo.